All right, guys, I'm going to try to get you started on questions 1 and 2 from the workbook practice this week. So several people have asked questions, and I've noticed that these two are a little bit more challenging than other problems that we've seen in the videos. So let's look at what we can do to find g of x in terms of f of x. So what I'm going to do is kind of get you started. I'm going to give you the formulas and hopefully show you how to get the stuff that you need for the formula, and then you should be able to work through the steps on your own. All right, so getting started, the first thing we need to do is talk about, what we need. Okay, so in order to write our formula, g of x equals a times f, or AF parentheses 1 over b times x minus h and then plus k. So we're looking for several things here. So this is g of x in terms of f of x. So we really want to know what is a, what is b, what is h, and what is k. All right, so let's look at how we can find these things. So A, if you remember from the notes, that's your vertical stretch on your y's, okay? So we're going to be talking about the y values. So you can find A, and this is going to look similar to the rate of change, but you're going to find A by doing y of b prime minus y of a prime divided by y of b minus y of a. Now, you may say, well, where did this come from? Okay, so we're given 4 points. We're given an x and a y from point A. We're given an x and a y from point A prime. We're given an x and a y from b prime, and we're given an x and a y from point B. So what you're going to do is find the y from b prime minus the y from a prime divided by y sub b minus y sub a. So once you find those numbers, you will have the vertical stretch. Okay, remember y values, your vertical axis is your y's, so that's why you're using your y's. All right, B is your horizontal stretch. So we're going to use the formula, except now we're going to plug in x's. So we're going to have x sub b prime minus x of a prime over x of b minus x of a. And again, you're going to be using these 4 points. But now the horizontal is your x-axis. You're going to be talking about the x's, okay? All right, K is our transformation. So K is a vertical transformation. So we're going to look at the y's. So we're going to have y of a prime times a y of a. Okay, so we're only looking at 2 points this time, so you only need to look at point A and A prime in order to figure this out. Also, A, we found A up here, so if you find A correctly, you'll be able to find H correctly, okay? Or sorry, K, I don't know why I said H. And H is going to be very similar, except A is your horizontal transformation. So we're going to have x of a prime minus b x of a. So again, this time because it's your horizontal, you're taking b from whatever you find b is here, and then your x's from your 2 points A and A prime. So on the transformations, you're finding those just using the 2 points. The vertical and horizontal stretch, you're using all 4 points. So once you find A, B, K, and H, you can plug those numbers into this general formula and you will have your answer. And then you should be able to explain it from there, since I've got you hopefully on a good start. All right, I hope this helps. Have a good day.